नमस्कार, मैं मयंक देशमुख आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूँ। आज के मुख्य समाचार कुछ इस प्रकार। सबसे पहले अंतर्राष्ट्रीय समाचार। अमेरिका ने F-35A लड़ाकू विमान से चीन पर गिराए परमाणु हथियार, चीन दहशत में। रूसी कोरोना वायरस वैक्सीन पर अच्छे संकेत, अगले हफ्ते से आम लोगों पर लगाने के लिए पुतिन ने दी अनुमति। अब कुछ राष्ट्रीय समाचार। मसाला कंपनी MDH के मालिक श्री धर्मपाल गुलाटी का हुआ 98 साल की उम्र में निधन। भोपाल गैस कांड, तीसरी पीढ़ी भी भुगत रही 36 साल पहले हुए भोपाल गैस कांड का असर। आज भी जन्म लेने वाले बच्चे को होता है कैंसर। अब कुछ स्थानीय समाचार। प्रदेश में 1648 कोरोना मरीज मिले, 27 मौतें थी। बघेल ने PM को पत्र लिखा और खुद मांगी कोरोना की वैक्सीन। 2 दिन में 70,000 किसानों ने बेचा धान। राज्य की सीमाओं पर चौकसी तेज। अब बारी है नई शिक्षा नीति से संबंधित समाचार की। प्रारंभिक शिक्षा को बहुस्तरीय खेल और गतिविधि आधारित बनाने को प्राथमिकता दी जाएगी। 6 से 8 वर्ष तक के बच्चों के लिए प्राथमिक विद्यालयों में कक्षा 1 और 2 में शिक्षा प्रदान की जाएगी। अब कुछ MGM से संबंधित समाचार। कल यानी दिनांक 3 दिसंबर 2020 को MGM स्कूल ने अपने चैनल पर मल्टीमीटर के सामान्य प्रयोग के विषय में जानकारी दी, जो कि मिसेस NCGG द्वारा दी गई। आज के समाचार में बस इतना ही। धन्यवाद।
Freedom in our mind and words, pride in our hearts, memories in our souls. Let's salute the nation on the Navy Day. Good evening to the respected principal sir, in charge ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. A very happy Indian Navy Day to all. Myself Atul Sharma and today I am going to tell you about Indian Navy Day. Navy Day is observed by several countries including India. It is celebrated on December 4 every year. The day is observed in every country for different reasons and achievements. In India, the day is observed for magnificent achievements and roles of the country's naval force. The aim of the Navy Day celebrations is to remember the courage of the Indian Navy. The day remembers the missile boats and martyrs during that war. The Navy Day is celebrated with a theme every year. On this day, the Indian Navy organizes special events in front of the President of India. According to the history of Navy Day, the 17th century Maratha Emperor Chhatrapati Shivaji Bhosle is considered as the father of the Indian Navy. The reason for choosing the date is the Indo-Pakistan War, which took place in December 4, 1971. The special memorial is to mark the Navy's attack on Karachi's harbour during this war. The Indian Navy is the armed forces of the Marine Department. It is led by the President of India, who is the Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Navy. The Indian Navy plays a major role in protecting the marine borders of the country. It enhances the international relations of the country with its neighbors. The motto of the Indian Navy is Sham no Varunaha, taken from Rig Veda, which means, may the Lord of the Air be auspicious unto us. This day also recognizes the splendor, great achievements and role of the naval force to the nation. On this day, the warships and aircrafts are open for the visitors like school children. Various contests like Navy Queen, Navy Balls, etc. also take place on this special day. Thank you, Indian Navy, for your bravery, hard work, and dedication towards our country. Thank you.
Hello everyone, welcome to another new episode by the Pre-Primary Day. Today our teachers will be showing you some interesting craft activities that I am sure you all will enjoy. Activities and crafts are very important for the child's growth and development. That is why we see that these activities are more often done in pre-primary schools. These activities help in developing their fine motor skills as they use those small muscles in their hands. The quicker their fine motor skills develop, the more they can do things on their own, like eating by themselves and tying their own shoelace. These activities also improve the early child literacy skills like speaking, reading, listening, and understanding. Like for example, when children make a craft or any activities, they get to talk about their work, which develops their communication skills. Children learn new vocabularies from parents and teachers, and when they follow verbal instructions, they use their listening skills. The most important point is that with these activities, children develop their creativity, providing the opportunity to try new ideas and new ways of thinking and problem solving. So, let us now begin with two activities presented by Mrs. Ashiana Shah and Mrs. Monica Martin. I hope you all will enjoy.
Good evening, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Okay, so children, today is Friday and today is Tea Portal Day. So children, today I am here to do one interesting activity. So children, let's start. For this, you have to take craft papers like this. मैंने यहाँ पे 2 कलर का क्राफ्ट पेपर लिया है ना? एक छोटा है पेपर और एक लेंथ में लंबाई है. इसकी लंबाई ज्यादा है. ब्लैक क्रेयॉन, ब्लैक स्केच पेन, ग्रीन और ब्राउन लिया है मैंने. आप कोई भी स्केच पेन ले सकते हैं. फेविकॉल एंड 2 आइस. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन, जिसकी लेंथ, जो पेपर की लेंथ लंबाई में ज्यादा है, उसको हम फोल्ड करेंगे ऐसे. यहाँ पे हम ग्लू लगाएंगे लाइक दिस एंड इसको पेस्ट करेंगे ऐसे. ओके, एंड इस पेपर से, ये पिंक वाले पेपर से हम एक ऐसे पतले स्ट्रिप्स कट कर लेंगे और एक ऐसे लंबा स्ट्रिप. आप अपने मम्मी पापा के हेल्प से इस टाइप के स्ट्रिप्स कट कर सकते हैं. ओके, अब आप इस वाले स्ट्रिप में कोई भी कलर का स्केच पेन लीजिए और यहाँ पे लाइन खींचिए. आप यहाँ पे कुछ भी डिजाइन बना सकते हैं. मैंने लाइन खींचा है. ओके, अब हम ये रोल हमने पहले रेडी किया हुआ है, पेस्ट किया हुआ है. अब इस रोल पर हम यहाँ पे इसको ऐसे पेस्ट करेंगे. ओके, सेंटर में हम यहाँ पे फेविकॉल लगा लेते हैं एंड इसको हम ऐसे पेस्ट कर लेंगे लाइक दिस। ओके, एंड ये जो पतला वाला स्ट्रिप है इसको हम बीच में ऐसे फोल्ड करेंगे और एक बार ऐसे फोल्ड करेंगे, देन इसको हम एक बार फिर से ओपन करेंगे। अब हम सेंटर में इस वाले पार्ट को फेविकॉल लगा के पेस्ट करेंगे। लाइक दिस। ये पेस्ट हो गया। अब हम इसे इस वाले पार्ट में पेस्ट करेंगे। और ये 2 आईज को ऐसे पेस्ट करेंगे। सी, ये रेडी हो गया। अब यहाँ पे हम इसकी नोज बनाएंगे एंड एक smiley. See children, our aeroplane is ready. Zoom. Wow, it's very nice. So children, आप भी अपने घर पे पेपर क्राफ्ट से ऐसे एरोप्लेन बनाइए और एंजॉय कीजिए। तब तक के लिए थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन, बाय बाय, हैव ए नाइस डे।
Good evening to one and all. My name is Mrs. Monica Martin and today is Friday, e-portal day. So we will do one activity. Let's start. So students, now let's start this activity. For that you need sheet and some pastel colors are here, and this is the word, your word, and it's the pole. First of all, you have to make a tree in this way. Then afterwards, you have to take the earbud. Earbud ko what you have to do? You have to dip in the color. Here are 3 colors. I have mixed it red, yellow, and green. So now students, start with me. इधर पे like this you have to do. See, then again you have to dip it in this way. See, now you have to dip it in this way. See here. Now mind this. So lovely tree it's looking now. Here what you have to do? You have to press in this way. ऐसे press in this way, and then again हल्के हाथों से ऐसे अच्छी तरह से press करना है. See now student, my tree has been completed. So beautiful tree. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hello everyone. I hope you all have enjoyed the activities presented by our teachers. Now we have two more interesting activities presented by Mrs. Sukti Sarkar and Mrs. Asha Dili. One is a cotton ball craft which shows how we can make a simple drawing more attractive. Okay, and the other is an animal face craft which you all will like to do. I am sure you all will love both the activities. So let's see. Okay.
Hello viewers, today I will show you one beautiful activity with cotton. As you all know, cotton is a soft, fluffy staple fiber. It is also known for its versatility, performance and a natural comfort. It is used to make clothes, homewares and in industrial products also. Good morning children. Today we will do an activity. For this, you have to take a sheet and make a rabbit like this. And materials are, take cotton balls, rangila color, brush and Fevicol. First of all, we will apply Fevicol like this. We have to apply Fevicol. Now stick the cotton balls one by one. Like this, you have to stick the cotton balls. Like this, you have to cover the body with cotton balls. We have covered the body. Now with red color we will make mouth. Now for eyes we take black color and make eyes. Children, rabbit Khargosh is tayar. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am going to introduce the activity. Activities consist moving fingers and hands. They help in developing fine motor skills. Activities are done with colorful craft papers. Children like and enjoy to do activity. So let's do an activity.
Hello children, now we will do today's activity. For this activity, we need brown and yellow craft papers, glue stick, marker pen and ice cream stick. Okay? First of all, we will cut craft paper in circle shape. Like this. Okay? Children, please remember, brown circle should be bigger than yellow circle. Brown circle should be bigger than yellow circle. Okay? Now, we will cut 2 ears and 2 eyes like this. Okay? We will cut brown circle here like this. Okay? And now we will paste ears like this. Okay, and it paste here. and paste eyes. Here, and make nose with marker pen. Like this. Okay. What did it become? It became lion's face. Okay, children? And we will paste ice cream stick here. Like this. Okay. L for lion. Lion is ready. Thank you, children.
To all, I hope you enjoyed previous video. I am glad to introduce my colleagues Anita Chaudhary and Kakuli Karmakar. Anita Chaudhary is sharing a beautiful craft work the children will enjoy doing and will learn how to decorate their homes during festival. It's a way to use creative minds and children can also add up their way of decorating Toran. And my second teacher Kakuli Karmakar has shown magic can be created on paper with the help of crayon or any wax by just using watercolor or any plain sheet paper. Amazing creative work done by both the teachers. Thank you.
Morning children. Today I am going to teach you how to make toran making. Do you know what is toran? तोरण क्या होता है आप लोग जानते हैं? तोरण हम अपने हर फेस्टिवल में अपने डोर को डेकोरेट करने के लिए बनाते हैं. मटेरियल रिक्वायर्ड फॉर तोरण मेकिंग: ऑरेंज क्राफ्ट पेपर, green craft paper, some star, lace and this type of strips, Fevicol and scissor. Okay. First, में लगाएंगे। Now children, our activity is completed and door is decorated. Thank you. Have a nice day and happy Diwali.
Good morning my dear students. Now this is your activity day and today I am here with a new activity, okay, which helps your thinking skill and creative skill. Okay, so come and see which kind of material we need. For this activity we need white colored paper, some cotton swabs, crayon rangila colors, candle or any wax, okay, melted wax you can use, pencil and marker. So let's start the activity. Spread the paper first, then take your pencil and draw a flower first. Children, this is a magical activity, okay? You will enjoy to do this activity. Children, you can see I have drawn a flower here, okay? Now I trace it with the wax, okay? This is a piece of melted wax and I trace it on the flower. See, you have to trace it like this, okay? Now take this color and color it. Children, you can see the magic. The flower embossed from the color. In this way, you can draw many kind of things. Like if you write your name, that will also emboss. Okay. See, I have written here MGM, and here the magic is created. Okay, so in this way you can do this activity and enjoy it very well. Okay children, hope you enjoy to do this activity. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone. It's my pleasure to thank one and all who made this activity successful. This activity for our children was made possible because of the encouragement from our beloved principal. He is a constant source of encouragement. We take this opportunity to thank him profusely. I thank our in-charge ma'am for her ideas and support. Many teachers contribute their ideas, energy, their eager participation enthusiastically to make this video a successful one. It gives me immense pleasure to thank every one of them. We have received a very positive support from the parents and the viewers. In this joyous occasion, it thanks our parents and the viewers. Without our students watching this activity, this cannot be a truthful one. So, it's my pleasure to thank all the students who have watched this video. Please like and share. Thank you one and all. May God bless you all.